Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to import Excel spreadsheets into monday.com. Now, first of all, what we need to do is we need to go here to our admin, and then we need to go here to import data. Now, from here, you will actually have Excel right here. You can import any Excel sheet to a new board. So we can go here, and here we can just drag and drop our Google Sheet or Excel or CSV file, which is right here. So we can go here, click browse, and then update it that way. So what you can also do is you can also go here to integrations, or actually you can go here to apps, and then from apps you can type in spreadsheet, and here you have a couple of different things that you can use. You can use Google Sheet Embedder if you want to embed Google Sheets anywhere in monday.com, or you can type in here Excel, and you can update with Excel, upload Excel or CSV file to make changes on the board as well, which is really great application as well. That's pretty much it, right? It's very simple. This is how you can import Excel spreadsheet into monday.com. If you have any specific questions regarding this, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.